I am at the San Mateo Toys R Us, and I'm third in the line for Force Friday. Actually ran into some members of the Golden Gate Garrison, which is pretty awesome. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get whatever I want to get here because we're pretty early.
Alright, so here's my haul for Force Friday. I got this one, and I thought the price was good. It's 15 bucks, and it comes with what's that, 6 figures. I mean, they're already, it's not posable, but mainly got it for the BB-8. It's metal, and it has a glossy picture of the dark side. And it's just like the other Disney pins. I got the Stormtrooper, and I got Finn, and Rey. I was just happy to find this because it was very limited over there. And they had a buy 2 get 1 free, so I got the BB-8. I wasn't lucky to find it at Target, so it all worked out. And that's my haul on Force Friday. Yeah, it was pretty fun. I like the interacting with the other people too because I got to talk to them and like. It was really exciting.